Organizing personal lists, expressing likes and dislikes. Hello language enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting video in our conversational English series. Today, we're focusing on expressing likes and dislikes through personal lists. But not just any lists, we're going to learn how to organize these lists to make your expressions more fluent and logical. Let's dive right in. First things first, what are personal lists? Personal lists are simply your individual catalog of things you like and things you don't. They could be about anything: foods, activities, people, places, ideas, and so on. They're a great tool to express your personality and opinions in English. Now, the key to using them effectively lies in good organization. To organize your personal lists, we recommend you categorize them. This means dividing your likes and dislikes into different groups or categories. For instance, you can have categories for food, music, sports, etc. Categorization helps in making your speech more coherent and understandable. It prevents jumbling up of ideas and maintains a smooth flow of thoughts. Within your categories, you need to prioritize your items. This means placing the things you like or dislike the most at the top of your list and the ones you feel less strongly about lower down. Expressing these preferences can make your conversation more engaging. Prioritization gives a clear indication of your strongest feelings, making it easier for the listener to understand your preferences. Once you've categorized and prioritized, you can further enhance your lists by using language tools like adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs can add depth to your expressions. For example, saying, "I really like basketball," has more emphasis and indicates stronger feelings than simply saying, "I like basketball." And that wraps up our lesson on organizing personal lists of likes and dislikes. By categorizing, prioritizing, and using language tools, you can make your expressions more fluent, logical, and engaging. Keep practicing with these techniques and you'll see how it enhances your conversational English. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning and expressing.